So what is the big secret? Well, your girl's gonna go to Shred Fest this weekend. Hey folks, we have arrived to the Oak City Shred Fest. Let me tell you about last night. So we had our I Do barbecue with the family. They finally met for the first time and we had so much food. Oh my gosh. I made this amazing broccoli salad. The hint is to chop your broccoli really small. The creamy dressing was just mayonnaise, white vinegar, some spices, and I will put that recipe down below. I saw it on Pinterest. We did a grill out, we did hamburgers and hot dogs, but it was raining pretty bad. And so we actually broiled them in foil in the kitchen and it actually worked out really well. They turned out awesome. They tasted so good. And another plus that was that the man did not have to sit out and babysit the barbecue all night while we were hanging out with family. So I'm a fan of barbecuing out, but also it's just easier to broil in foil sometimes. Like that's what I do. That's how I live my life. The man's mom always spoils me. She makes these keto-friendly sweet treats all the time. And so she had these mini cheesecakes in mason jars, and it was cream cheese and sour cream and Splenda and like some strawberries blended in there. And it was so good, top notch. So then everybody left about 8:30 or 9 o'clock. We cleaned up real quick. We packed the car and then we headed to Raleigh for 3.5 hours. And we were so dead tired getting here, but we made it. And so we are at the Oak City Shred Fest. And I gotta tell you something. I got my scoot. I'm scooting my boot today. So let's go take a look. Okay, so what's the plan?
I want to get a shirt.
A shirt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Float on shirt. And we'll rock a little bit. And we'll watch the race.
The race?
And yeah, this should be fun.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it. All right, so which one's your favorite?
I'll make this one.
I like that one. I'm gonna get that one.
Okay. Oh, they're gonna make a baby one wheel.
A baby one wheel?
Okay, I don't know why.
Oh no. Okay, so what are you eating?
I'm eating hot wings.
Hot wings. Are they breaded?
No,
They're not breaded.
no, just regular wings.
Awesome, regular wings. Okay, how are they? Are they good?
Nice and hot.
Yeah.
Nice and hot.
You got lots of beer to wash it down with?
Yeah, well, and that helps with a nice hot day like today.
Okay, very good. Are you having fun today?
Oh, I'm so happy to be at this event.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
It's really cool.
Awesome. What's your name?
My name's George.
George, nice to meet you. I'm Allie.
Hello, Ellie.
Thank you. All right, I'm trying the spicy wing. I have extra napkins. I'm a lady, so I bring napkins everywhere. I have extra napkins.
Then we solved that problem.
Awesome, yeah.
Yeah, so just wait for a bit so we can get rid of the trash.
Oh yeah. Well, they're spicy, but they're very good. Oh yeah.
To me, it's all part of the experience when you come to these events. It's like concentrated happiness. And I hope it continues, but I just haven't run into negative people here.
Everybody's so chill. Yeah. Oh, they got boiled peanuts.
Feels good in the heat, in the rain
Yeah.
at the same time.
So we kind of got trapped in the rain and we kind of scooted our boots back to the car so we could hide from the rain because the tent wasn't set up yet. But we made it, so.
Now we accept the shower that's upon us.
Yeah, now it's raining a little bit, but that's okay. I think we're gonna try and get some food. I might get some wings if they have them here, so we will see. All right, 716. We are gonna get some wings, I think, and we're gonna be messy today. Okay, so we got our own wings. I got the buffalo, he got the barbecue. Here we go, hot wing. Those are so good. Oh my gosh. They're messy, but they're good. The guy at the food truck, he was like, oh dang, I might need to take one of those. I was like, what? He was like, they look good. I was like, yeah, they do. So we are going to finish our wonderful hot wings and we're gonna scoot our boots some more. But honestly, this event was a lot bigger than I thought because he showed me some videos and it looks small from like the videos, but there's lots of people here. Like, and they're all on their one wheels. We're all scooting around in the dirt and the mud, but it's fun. And honestly, the weather's kind of perfect because it's not too bright, slightly rainy, so it's keeping us cool a little bit. So not too bad of a day. But we got the lake and music and the sun finally shone out a little bit. There was a guy out here with an electric surfboard, like surfing on the lake or the pond. How you feeling, boo?
Good.
Yeah, you good. You got your swag bag. We are charging our scooters at the moment, or his one wheel and my scooter. So we're just kind of hanging out here for a bit, enjoying the weather. It's like sprinkling, but it's sunny, so it's kind of nice. There he goes, riding his electronic surfboard on the lake. Kind of jealous. Okay folks, so it is snack time, and at the food line I saw this beef jerky from Archer Provisions, grass-fed beef jerky. I got a couple of these, and they're actually really good on the sugar. A lot of the time beef jerky will have lots of sugars added just for flavor or preservatives, I don't know, but these are 2 grams per serving of carbs or sugar and 70 calories, and so you're looking at 2 servings per container, so that's 4 grams of carbs. I also got a variety of nuts. One of my faves is the salt and vinegar almonds. I have some sunflower seeds that were left over from my broccoli salad last night, and so usually nuts and jerky are my go-to, like for a road trip, camping out, something where you might not have access to food all the time. So I'm gonna snack on these, and then we are watching the stunt competition, which is why you hear people cheering in the background. Oh man, I'm tired. People were whizzing around all night on their Onewheels while we were sleeping, which was fine. It wasn't really a big deal or anything. I did get woken up a couple times, but oh well. I'm looking forward to the ride home and dealing with all this stuff in the car. Oh, I just want to take a shower, honestly. But I had such a good time. Like, I thought it was going to be way smaller than it was. I thought that I wasn't going to be able to ride around as much as I did because I am like 3 weeks into riding my scooter, and I didn't know, like, because the Onewheel has such big wheels, they can go over terrain a little bit better, and my little scooter has tiny tires on it, so I didn't think I'd be able to. But I'll tell you what, I rode over lots of gravel and over some lumpy grass, and just I rode it as much as I could. Last night they had the competition ring open, the competition loop, and so people were able to like dress up in glow sticks. I wore my bunny ears, the man wore his green sunglasses, and people were just racing around. Saw some people fall, but they seemed to be okay. Played music, they had a fog machine. And then the weather was so nice last night. Like, I put on my hoodie and my jeans and I was good to go. And the man attached like this really bright flashlight to my scooter so I could like see in the dark on like little dirt roads, and it was really fun. I do have to show you guys something. I did not realize this when they gave us our parking pass, but this morning the man came back to buy his t-shirt as a souvenir, and it had this same logo on it, and I was like, what is that? What is on your t-shirt? And then I realized it was on the parking pass too. So I don't know if this was an intentional design of what it came out as, or maybe it printed differently, but I think it's supposed to be an acorn because, I don't know, they call each other squirrels, and so I guess they're throwing acorns, but we know But I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I would highly recommend getting a Onewheel. Everybody there in the community that was there celebrating and having fun, everybody was so amazingly like awesome, very sweet people, and it just seemed like a really great community. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to follow me on my keto life adventures, and I'll see you guys next time. My name's Allie. Have a good one. Bye.